How you doing, guys? This is Antonio here from Papa Homes, where we talk about turning credit into wealth by using the power of real estate, which is the most beautiful thing that anyone can do is investing in real estate, because real estate is the avenue to success and wealth, if you ask me. So today I'm looking at a property here. I'm doing a little bit of negotiating with the homeowners as of now. I don't even got on the contract. We just pretty much discussing some things, and I told them I will at least come out here and take a look at the property. So again, you see the property behind me. So what I want to do, I want to do a quick analysis on how I evaluate properties fast in a hurry. Number one, when I look at the location here, I turn around, I keep going, I look at the neighborhood and say, hey, would I stay here? Number one, probably yes. Probably yes, I would stay here. Even though this is a road that gets a little busy at times, but it's a road that has the country feel and the feel of you just enjoying yourself on the Saturdays and Sundays, things of that nature. So it's a place that a lot of people will want to be. So number two, evaluating the property. Now, the square footage of the house, I don't know whether or not it's accurate or not, but that's okay. But we can verify that. But overall, when you look at the property here, has a little carport here, has the front of the house. Maybe want to do something different with that. Maybe want to put a porch out there. I really just don't know. Now, when it comes to the sidings, you can do a number of things. It definitely needs power wash. I think what I would do is go more power wash the sidings and paint the brick to give the house a different look. Now I looked at the roof. Now the roof doesn't look too bad there. Okay, the roof doesn't look too bad. I didn't see any wears inside the roof. I didn't see anything about the roof that scares me. Okay, that really scares me. So the roof looked good. So overall, so I'm looking at it. So I have to analyze what it's going to take to rehab this property. Are we looking to flip it, meaning buy it, put some money into it, and sell it off to someone else? Or are we looking to buy it whole? So that's my avenue. So when me and my partners are looking at deals like this here, we're trying to decide what makes the best financial decision for us. So here's the thing. So the house hasn't been updated in years, so due to the square footage, due to if I want to flip the property, I already know it's going to take thousands of dollars. So our only object is to come in here and offer the homeowner a cash offer. Now, cash offers can be, like 80% on the dollar, 70% on the dollar, sometimes 60 or 50% on the dollar. The price of money today is through the roof. Especially interest rates are at 7.5%. Okay, guys? So when you're analyzing properties like this, you have to look at these houses and you got to say, hey, what are my numbers? What do I need to do to get to the number that I need to get to? What do I need to do to be able to make a profit off this property? So any of you beginner investors out there, know your numbers. So the numbers here would be that, hey, if we're going to flip it, we want it better to take home after everything is paid and done, maybe around $30,000 to $40,000, maybe, because realtors have to get paid 3% to the buyer, 3% to the buyer agent, and 3% to the seller agent. Then we got to have closing costs. I mean, these fees start to add up, guys. So you may see $50,000 on the board. A homeowner might be thinking, this investor that's going to buy my house from me is going to make $50,000, but no. After you start subtracting fees and things, it pretty much, I mean, you probably get lucky to walk away with half of that. And also, you got to go through the work of evaluating the property. So I already know we probably want to come in and pay cash for this property, me and my partners. So what I'm going to have to do is to do some calculation with some comps around the neighborhood. Meaning that I'm going to have to see what the other properties around the neighborhood within another couple mile radius, see what they setting for inside this city. then I can get a good number on what we can resell this house for and what we need to buy it for. Not trying to lowball the homeowners. We want to give them the best deal possible, but for as investors, we have to know our numbers, because when we get in this thing, we got to make sure when we buy it, we make money, guys. We make money. So, hey, when it comes to real estate, this is what's at, guys. So don't procrastinate. Go out there today, look at properties. I don't care, you got to call 10 agents every week. Just talk to them about real estate. If you don't feel like taking that leap of faith, you can just contact me. Hey, my email here is in the description. DM me, and let's do some deals. Let's talk about it. If you got any capital or anything, you want to start investing, I'm your guy. Come talk to me. Or if you just need some advice, it's all good with me. Just let me know. So a deal like this here can mean a lot when it comes to us. We're gonna think about if we're gonna move forward with it. Not too sure as of now, but if we do, I'm gonna have plenty of updated videos, walkthroughs of the rehab. But so I'm gonna make sure I document this to the point where everybody can see how I'm going out there buying real estate and building wealth, you guys. So hey guys, it's Tony Coleman. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the videos. Leave a comment in the comment section. If you got any questions, I'll be glad to answer any questions you guys have. Hey, I'm out here. Bye-bye.